In this video I'm going to show you how to fit the Knight Customs door hinges for the Traxxas TRX-4 Defender body. To make this a simple install, what we did was we positioned the boss here in line with the split line of the hinge. So all you need to do is figure out where you want the hinge on the body, drill a hole on the door line, on the split line there, and insert the hinge into the hole. Using shoe glue on the back and a little bit of sandpaper to rough up the surface of the Lexan and shoe glue on the body, you'll have a secure fitment. So after checking our 1:1 reference, we measured out 11 millimeters from the bottom of the door to the first hole here for the bottom hinge, and then 7 meters from the top of the shoulder on the door to the hole there. And that should give you the right position for the door hinges. To separate the door hinges, you simply take a sharp craft knife and score along the edge of the hinge. And simply cut away like so. Once you separate the hinge parts, to remove the white area, you can simply use a Sharpie cover the white. Once the holes are marked, use a craft knife to create pilot holes. Once your holes are drilled, the part should fit like so. Once installed, you can apply shoe glue just to make them permanent. And I hope you agree they add a little bit more scale detail to the already great looking TRX-4 body. Please like, comment, share below. Thanks for watching.